What's with the power-ups?
Yo, what's a homeless rap about? I really want to know.
Drink all the fucking alcohol.
Maybe.
Me and myself are cool. I'm fucking your mom.
Suck me.
You are ugly. You're ugly.
He's probably in the bathroom. Yo, police, is this illegal? You don't have to spread your legs. You might just have to bend over.
Ash play.
That's crazy because I feel like I barely remember it. That's why I'm trying to like.
You keep saying they don't look alike. I'm like, they look exactly alike. You have no idea.
It's not that I don't think they look alike. I just feel like different stages, like Aiden when he was younger, I feel like he already, I don't know, I couldn't remember when he was bald and when he got the hair.
Yeah, you have that whole schedule fucked up.
And I'm asking, I took him to Azriel, to the doctor on Wednesday, and I was like, just out of curiosity, like the hair is worrying me. And he was like,
why?
Right. No, because I thought Aiden already had a fro by now. So I'm like,
no, that wasn't true.
Because it's like, he's about to be a year. So I was like, I can't remember because it was so long ago.
No, relax, bro.
Yeah,
son is going to have hair. Be cool.
I hope so. He just got like the top tuff. And I'm like, damn, bro.
I'll show you pictures from Max's 1-year-old birthday party. You're going to be like, oh.
I'm like, I had to make sure he don't got like alopecia or nothing like that. Yeah.
Grow up, bro.
I'm sure it happens. It's a thing.
Yeah, but like, relax. It's naked.
I'm worried about I'm worried about it. But I think it'll be all right. I was worried that he was like the same weight. But they said he gained like 2 pounds, so they're like, don't worry. But I'm like, yo, because that's if he's not gaining weight, that's a problem.
He's eating.
Right. So that's a problem if he's not gaining weight.
Yo, relax, bro.
I know. I'm just much more worried. I don't know why.
I was like, I don't know. I was never worried, like at all.
I wasn't worried with Aiden though. It's him. I don't know why. Maybe because I haven't done it in so long.
Too much crazy stuff going on. That's why.
Right? Yeah. Right.
Digress.
The crazy is amplified. Anyway.
It's been a while.
It has been a while. Welcome back to another episode of the DILFcast.
You want to explain yourself to our people, our followers?
What?
Why we ain't been recording? You bitch ass nigga.
Yeah,
we in for a good one tonight.
I've been a lush.
We're gonna do a double. We're gonna do a double D.
Yeah.
Henry didn't know that.
I didn't. I wasn't aware of that.
We're doing a double D tonight.
Okay. All right.
Because we owe it to y'all.
But question. When's the last time you've been to the doctor?
Last year.
Okay. Now, just for argument's sake, say you went in, you were complaining about migraines, and the doctor gave you a little packet of some white stuff and said,
cocaine?
Take a little bit of that. It'll knock it right out.
I think he knows what he's doing.
Do you now?
Yeah.
See, that's
I'm not sure of it, but I'm pretty sure like cocaine could probably fix that.
But how confident are you in this person simply because they are a doctor?
Right.
Right. How does that?
Like currently, very confident.
Right.
But like,
let's say like 300 years ago.
Nah.
Right.
No.
What do you think the requirements were to be a doctor 300 years ago?
I think higher education ain't know what to do. They were just giving it out.
Right. What were the licensing requirements to be a doctor? Because back then they didn't really know shit.
Just talk shit better.
Confidence.
Confidence is key.
Confidence is key. If I sound like I know what I'm talking about,
he probably knows what he's talking about.
He probably knows what he's talking about.
You don't fucking know. You ever read?
Right. Are you a doctor?
And then you got to think about the amount of people who could not read.
Substantial.
It's mostly black.
Hey, that's not their fault.
No, not at all.
Right.
100%. I was reading the book I'm reading.
You don't read books. No, continue.
Talk about
it. You mean the book you like Google the summary of? Yeah.
I don't want to talk about it anymore. I do not.
No, I want to hear about this book. I want to hear about this book.
I don't want to talk
this
about
book.
it.
Yeah.
I'm reading The Revolutionary Suicide by
God,
Huey P.
this
Newton.
shit.
It's an autobiography. Well, it's like half and half. But this is basically an autobiography by Huey P. Newton. And like in it, he's like talking about how like as a like a young teenager, he couldn't read.
Mhm.
And like how he taught himself how to read. And I'm like, yo, we really take reading for granted. Like I could read by the time I could read well by the time I was in 6th grade.
Right.
Like I could read like very well
Yeah,
by the time
yeah,
I was in 6th
yeah.
grade.
Yeah.
Like
There's still adults today that can't read. Like it still exists.
but like everything is still words. Like you go on Google, like it's words. Like,
Right. Yeah.
Like what do you do? Like you just talk to Siri all day?
You could.
That's
I mean,
true.
Yeah, you don't really need to like. You
But-
could have it.
And I think about it, like people who do that probably are mentally challenged.
No, yeah. Unless they need it, that's why they have the dictation thing.
Yeah,
Like,
but that's for
if
like
you're disabled,
blind
yeah,
people.
huh?
So blind people.
Right, yeah. But also people who can't read.
I mean,
To me,
I don't-
that's just pure laziness.
I don't want to sound like an asshole.
No, you should. It's pure laziness.
But some people just simply can't. Some people have learning disabilities and they don't even know it.
Okay, learning disabilities is different. But if you cannot read,
So I just simply don't want to sound like I'm shunning people.
since when did you give a fuck?
Since I started reading Revolutionary Suicide, Huey P. Newton.
Oh, it's okay. I know.
Because I don't know. I don't even want to talk about that book right now. Because
It's about your militia.
well,
Yeah.
yes, but
Mhm.
no. I started reading it because I wanted some insight into my militia.
Right.
And
How to start one. Where
the
am I
more
going
I'm
with this?
listening to him, the more I'm like, yo, do you care about black people? Or is it, I feel like there's a selfish undertone to it. Like he
Mhm.
just wanted to lead. Like, and it didn't matter.
Well, I've never read the book, so
It's an autobiography, so he's not coming off that way on purpose.
okay. You're talking about
I'm
just,
like reading undertones. to
Yeah,
it, and
yeah.
I'm like, and just based on how he was growing up and stuff, and I'm just like, I like he obviously has like a disdain towards white people and the haves versus the have-nots. That's mainly his fight, is the haves versus the have-nots.
Right.
I mean, but and you know that could easily lean more towards black people,
Of
which
course.
obviously it ended up doing. But it's just something there, and I'm just like,
You think he's full of himself?
yeah, I think it's a little bit of I gotta finish the book, but
Right. Then give us your opinion.
where I'm at right now, I'm just like, because he hasn't gotten to the party yet. Like he's still like where I'm at in the book, he's still like doing other shit.
Yeah.
Like he's doing a whole bunch of other shit. But the way he talks, it's just like,
We should do a whole episode about creating militias.
we could.
How they start, how they disband, how they fucking wreck shit up. I would love that.
Yeah.
Militias and cults, my favorite.
Yeah. But I digress nonetheless. So we could do the episode tonight about doctors.
The dark ages of medicine. Yes. So it's going to be absurd medical practices between the 17 and 1800s. And I'm so glad I was never, not even just because I'm black, I'm so glad I was never born in this era because
No.
Even
it was bad, bro.
getting a cold.
But remember what we used to say when we used to do topics like this in the past? I'm like, yo,
Yeah.
like this, like, you know, this shit is important, bro.
Mhm.
I'm not gonna go back and repeat some of the things I said then, but
No, it is important. It is important.
Yeah.
And kudos to all the
it's
hundreds,
not that long ago.
the thousands of people who died in the name of medicine. Yo,
Thousands.
Because some of this shit, I mean, we say it because we know what it is now,
Right.
but like they clearly did not know back then.
Well,
So
let's set the tone.
Uh-huh.
All right.
Okay.
I got a game
Uh-huh.
because I know we're gonna cover some of it,
Yeah.
and I don't want the answers to come before the game.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
I'm just gonna one of them. I'm gonna play
Mhm.
one of the games.
Mm-hmm.
The game is called Medieval Medical Mayhem.
I love this.
All right.
I love
I'm
it
gonna
already.
name a treatment, and you're gonna tell me I'm gonna give you options of what it was to treat.
Oh, what it was for? Okay.
Bloodletting with leeches.
Okay.
A, was it to treat headaches? B,
Uh-huh.
anemia? Or C, infections?
Damn, that's hard because I feel like I have to put myself in the retardation. What would I do it for? I feel like I would do it for anemia because there's just it sounds more retarded.
Blood.
Right, exactly. But I think I'm gonna go with infections.
Infections, correct.
Oh wow.
They thought bad blood caused infections.
So
bad
you gotta
blood.
get rid of it.
Gotta get rid of the bad
You gotta
blood.
get rid of the
Gotta
bad blood.
get new blood. That's Charlie shit. That's Charlie shit.
You know what your problem is? You need new blood.
You new blood.
You just need new blood. I got you.
Have you milked?
Right, yeah. Step into my office.
This treatment is called trephining. I hope I'm saying that right.
Trephinating. Yeah, I know.
Drilling a
what
hole in the skull.
Yep.
Or is it to treat A, headache, B, epilepsy, or C, insanity?
I think it was headaches.
You would be wrong.
Damn, what was it?
B, epilepsy. They
Oh,
thought
shit.
evil spirits cause seizures.
So you gotta let them out.
Gotta let the evil spirits out.
but they need a way out.
They need a way out.
Right.
I'm gonna give it a way out.
Yeah, drill a hole in their head. Yeah.
Genius, doctor. Genius.
Yeah, doctor.
Doctor. All right. Applying poultices. I'm sorry. Made from onions, garlic, and cow dung.
So okay.
Skin rash, broken bones, pneumonia.
Huh. Okay, onions, garlic, and cow shit. What would I use that for? I don't think it's pneumonia. What was the other two?
You would be wrong, Henry.
It is pneumonia?
It's pneumonia.
What was the idea behind that? That doesn't even make sense.
Smells were believed to ward off disease.
Oh my God. So the more pungent the smell.
Right.
Wow. Look at the big brain on Brad. Yeah.
Treatment. Giving patients a vomit-inducing drink. A, food poisoning. B, malaria. Or C, stomach flu.
A.
B, malaria. They
Really?
thought vomiting would expel disease.
Malaria? Are you fucking kidding me? That's just gonna make it worse. I saw something where they were purposely inducing people with malaria to cure something else. Because they thought that having like those intense fevers would get rid of whatever you.
Well, how you gonna get rid of malaria?
Exactly.
Yo.
Exactly.
This one's okay. Using urine wheel to diagnose by color.
To diagnose by color.
Yeah. A, kidney stones. B, diabetes. Or C, pregnancy.
It can't be pregnancy.
It's all of the above. A urine
What?
color was believed to indicate various ailments. That's,
Like
I'm pretty sure that's still used.
but saying no, no, it definitely is. But like to determine pregnancy,
Yeah, I guess the color
of your urine,
Maybe. I've never studied urine, so I can't tell you.
or the urine of pregnant women. So
I got another good one in there about urine. We'll get there later.
There's a lot of urine. Yeah.
All right. I'm sorry I can't pronounce poultices, even though I said I can read very well at 6th grade.
Yeah, you did say that.
Sorry, guys.
You did say that.
All right. I got a couple more games. I'm gonna interject them in.
That's fine. So just to set the tone, we're talking 1700s, 1800s. So there's no anesthesia. There's no antibiotics. There's no theory about germs. No one knows anything about bacteria and shit like that. This is just, we're going solely off of like,
What did Jamaicans talk about then?
In the 1700s?
Yeah, I feel like West Indians constantly talk about germs.
Well, this is the 1700s. I don't even know what country was like colonizing Jamaica at this point. Like, so I don't know. You just had to like test shit out, essentially.
I just feel like West Indians constantly talk about germs.
They do.
Like
They do.
consistently.
Oh yeah. They're very
It's like if no one knows what germs are, what did they talk about?
they're homophobic and germophobic. So they probably just talk a lot about the homos. Because there were no germs.
That's how you get germs.
Yeah. So the first thing I have on our list, and I'm gonna let you guess what it is. A hemiglossectomy. What does that sound like it is?
Bloodletting.
No, actually.
Hemo. Blood. Sectomy.
Hemi, not hemo.
Oh.
Like HEMI.
Oh.
It's actually a procedure that still exists today.
It's taking something out, right?
Yeah.
That's sectomy.
Yeah. You can read.
You're a bitch. Yeah, your mother raised a bitch ass nigga. Yeah, talk about that.
I don't want to.
Yeah. I don't want to. It's crazy. I don't know what the hemi is. Yeah.
It's the removal of the tongue.
Why?
Now the reason
Medically? Like this is a medical reason to do that?
No, today we use it for people who have cancer of like the tongue, like which makes sense. You gotta remove the cancer.
Right.
But
they didn't know anything about cancer.
Right. Back then, they used it to cure people of stutters. No, I kid you not.
Yo, no way,
I
yo.
kid you not.
Is that you know what?
Get it out. Get it out.
What's the best cure? Stop him from talking. You can't stutter if you can't talk. Yo, like, yo, you're like, that's not even like, it's not making you healthier or anything like that. It's like, yo, you're annoying.
Right. That's how I took it. I'm like, oh, this nigga's annoying. Like,
take him to the doctor, get his tongue cut out. That's crazy.
Mind you, what did I just say earlier? No anesthesia.
Yeah.
No antibiotics.
They just do some coke on it.
Right. You cut that shit wrong, you catching an infection.
That nigga, you definitely catch an infection.
You're dead.
You definitely catch an infection because I got another one later that's going to clarify
why
that.
It's wild. No modern anesthesia. High risk of bleeding and infection. Often fatal. Fatal.
You can choke.
Yo, crazy. So one of the
Your tongue is used for a lot more than just talking. So much more.
Yeah.
You know how crucial your tongue is to eating?
Right. Yes.
To swallowing your own saliva?
Yeah.
You know how crucial your tongue is?
Yeah, you just die though at this point.
Fucking ridiculous, yo.
So hemiglossectomies obviously weren't always a necessary treatment, but in the 18th and 19th centuries, doctors used this as a way to cure stutters. As you can imagine, it was highly ineffective.
You can't just use cure like that.
That's what it's cure. That's what it's a cure. Stutters. Yeah.
Yo, imagine you beat somebody stuttering and be like, yo, I heard of a fix for that.
Right? Yo, go see my man Tim. He got you, all right? He's
like, he come into the office. I heard you have like this new revolutionary. Okay.
Wait before.
Stop.
Sorry.
Stop.
All right. I'm done. The next one is crocodile dung.
What?
Crocodile shit.
Shit.
Yeah, crocodile shit. Don't know why specifically crocodiles, but
some Florida shit.
I don't even think this probably originated in Florida.
New Orleans.
Somewhere, I guess.
Florida.
This crocodile shit.
Are there crocodiles in Florida? Or alligators? Or both?
Probably both.
I
would assume both.
I wouldn't know.
Crocodile shit. What do you think they used it for?
Did they make some kind of ointment out of it?
Actually, it says this originated in ancient Egypt.
Beyond people.
Right, yeah.
Did they make an ointment out of it or
no? It's you know what? You probably wouldn't even get it because I wouldn't even think that they would use this for this, like of all things. Like
So
maybe crocodile shit is like more.
so they don't use it as like some topical thing.
No,
Hit me with it.
it's a contraceptive.
What?
Right. So,
Was it like rubbery? Is it waxy?
I guess. I don't know. I've never seen crocodile shit. So I don't know. It says ancient
Well, they
Egypt.
just stuff it up? Did they block it up?
Just put the crocodile shit in there. It won't go through. I promise you. It's the densest thing you could ever. Oh, gross.
STIs.
As a way to prevent unplanned pregnancies, many women, yeah, you're right, plug themselves with crocodile shit.
You couldn't think of anything else to plug yourself with?
There has to be like a theory to this. Like there must be a reason they thought crocodile shit. Because at that point, why not just use your own shit or something? Like I don't understand.
Well, that's how you die.
And you can't die from this?
I don't know. I don't know anything about crocodile dung.
So it sounds crazy and gross, but historians believe it actually created an effective barrier.
But like, why?
Don't know.
Just gonna plug yourself up with crocodile dung.
They also used other stuff like honey and leaves.
Right.
Right. So it was also used as.
But what would happen if it's that time of the month? Would you flush that out too?
Oh, I don't even think about menstruation and crocodile shit in one thing. Like that can't be a good smell. Just they also used it for wound packing and treatment for infections. So, why doctors believed it worked? Strong smell equals powerful medicine.
Okay.
So it must smell crazy.
It's got to smell like ammonia or something.
It's got to smell crazy. Yeah.
Strong smell equals powerful medicine.
Powerful medicine. Yes.
Yo, niggas are just doing anything.
Smells and, strong smells and strong tastes and stuff like that. They just assume this will work.
Yo, I mean, well, think about every medicine you ever taken.
It never tastes good.
Always very strong, though.
Okay, but that doesn't mean just because of that it
I'm
works.
just saying there's some synonymous things there.
Fair enough. But this is crazy though.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
I wouldn't think of using any kind of shit to someone. That means someone had to think of this and was like, let's try that.
The crazy thing is that it was practiced.
Yes.
It's not like it wasn't like some home care remedy thing. Like it's like, yo, this is what the people do.
Right. Yeah. And everyone just accepted it. This is how we avoid pregnancy.
People are gonna say this about us when
and what about the areas that didn't
when they
have
start being
crocodiles?
like, yo, they used to put onion in their socks when people had colds.
Right.
Look how stupid that is.
Yeah. What about the areas that did not have crocodiles? What did they use?
They could learn something from them.
We got to bring crocodiles over.
Didn't they use intestines at one point? Like sheep intestines or pig intestines?
I think it was sheep liver, not intestines. I think it was sheep liver.
Oh.
They used it for something. This one, clysters.
What?
Clysters.
What's a clyster?
CLYSTERS.
Clysters.
Yeah.
What is it?
It's essentially an enema.
But what is it?
It's an enema. That's what they called it back then.
Okay.
What do you think they used it for?
Flushing their ass.
Think crazier.
Flushing their...
Think something that has nothing to do with that.
Flushing something.
Nothing to do with that.
It's an enema, though.
Right.
What are you talking about?
This is what I'm trying to get at.
What do you mean?
They used it for headaches. They used it for fevers. They used it for constipation, which makes sense. That's what it's for.
They flush their asses out when they had headaches?
If your head hurts,
Flush your ass?
you gotta flush that ass out.
I think they just like putting stuff in their butt.
Butt water.
Butt water.
Butt water. It
Gross.
works. It works. They used it for mental illness. And literally
He
any...
probably didn't have prostate cancer.
What happened?
What?
Literally any other unexplained symptom. Just give him an enema.
They just find a reason to just wash their ass, which is no problem with that.
This is beyond washing your ass, Paris.
I don't know how enemas work.
You don't know how enemas work.
Not necessary.
No, it's got to go in the ass. It's not just like you making it sound like a bidet.
Right.
It's got to go in there.
Oh, so like,
It's going in there. So
there's nothing wrong with that.
of course not, but not when I have a headache.
They just looking for reasons to do it. It must feel good or something.
So the belief is that illness came from imbalanced humors. And
What? Humors?
Yeah.
What's a humor?
I think they mean like
The prostate?
I don't necessarily think it's your prostate. Cleaning the bowels equals cleaning the body, essentially.
That's not
A bad theory.
That's not a bad assessment.
Right. So it was extremely common among wealthy patients, and it was actually done recreationally and preventatively,
Yeah. I'm not mad at that.
like putting things in your ass.
Me? No.
Whoever needs it.
But I'm not mad at it. Like flushing your body out, it's like no different than like if you did like a Seneca flush.
Oh, Senna?
Senna flush, sorry, Seneca.
That's a place.
I know. But yeah, it's no different than like doing like a diarrhea flush.
Yeah.
Which is essentially what that is.
This one.
Oh, give yourself diarrhea so you can flush your body. Like, yeah, for sure. I gonna lie, I had a stomach flu, shitting crazy.
And you felt great after.
Vomiting, shitting. I felt as soon as that fever passed and I stopped shitting all the time,
100%.
I felt amazing.
Yeah.
I felt better than I ever felt in my life.
You gotta flush it out. Gotta get it
I
all
felt
out.
like great.
Yeah. So there might be something behind this.
Yeah.
You know, not all of them are completely retarded. Okay.
No. There's a lot.
No, it's a lot of. It's a lot. Yeah.
You
yeah.
got your shit. I got my shit. There's a lot, brother.
I'm sure. Well, I'm sure there is.
Yo.
This one kind of goes back to the strong smells. Jar farts.
What?
Jar farts.
You fart in a jar, store it,
Yeah.
smell it,
Mm-hmm.
like Vicks.
Sure. Doctors
For
believe,
headaches.
Doctors believe that disease came from bad air. So smells equals sickness. So what people did is they would capture the smells and use the strong odors to counter the diseases.
What?
Right. I guess they thought it was like the bad would cancel out the bad.
Like, I got bad air in me. Let me put worse air in me.
And it'll get all that shit out. Yeah.
Negative and negatives are positive.
Exactly. There you go.
These niggas is crazy. Bro.
It was used for preventing plague.
That's probably how it started.
Right. Reviving fainted patients.
Probably.
Kind of like smelling salts.
Probably could work.
These were the first smelling salts, jar farts.
Jar farts.
Original smelling salts.
They had a specific deal. It's like, no. Get Ezekiel's. That shit is crazy.
Right. I'm about to say, they had a jar fart guy. Yo, they had to.
That nigga, I don't know what he be eating, but that shit is crazy.
Yeah, that should wake anybody up. And it was also like general illness protection. So, you just crack open that jar, take a whiff.
Woo!
You feel, right.
Yeah.
You feel great.
What cold?
This one I thought was absolutely hilarious. And you probably wouldn't even guess what they use this shit for. So this is chloroform. We all know what chloroform does.
Yes.
Knocks you the fuck out. What do you think they use that
it
for?
as an anesthesia?
No.
I don't know.
Asthma.
What?
Asthma.
How?
asthma. So asthmatics just can't catch a break. As insane as it sounds to us now, this treatment made the rounds in books and newspapers alike. So patients were instructed to dab a few drops into their handkerchief and inhale it until the symptoms stop.
What?
The chloroform.
Sporadic breathing?
Right.
Like, just inhale this until you pass out.
And you'll be good.
When you wake up, you'll feel better.
You can breathe again. Yeah.
Some bullshit, yo.
Imagine. I got to take my meds. Okay.
Well, I'm guessing maybe it'll like relax your muscles.
Maybe.
Yeah. Because isn't that essentially what asthma is? It's like a tightening of your airway.
Well, it says the tragedy is that some patients would accidentally inhale too much.
And die?
Yeah.
I thought it just knocks you out.
I guess not. I don't know the science.
I'm no chloroform.
Yeah, I'm no chloroform expert, but
yeah.
Maybe there's a certain amount you put on that you can,
Right.
Yeah. But if you put too much or you just inhale the whole thing, you just, yeah. So little Jimmy's having an asthma attack.
Or if you're just doing it all the time, maybe.
Or that too, yeah. If he's having an asthma attack, go get the chloroform. Eventually, they started using it as anesthesia during surgery. They also used it for dental procedures.
Yeah.
First real relief was from surgical pain. So, you give them the chloroform, they probably feel great. And it allowed for longer and more complex operations, obviously. The danger is that it's easily overdosed.
Nice.
Easily overdosed.
Okay.
And in some people, it could cause...
So they just be doing this shit willy-nilly in the movies.
Yeah. Essentially.
Right. Okay.
Yeah. And I didn't know that. I didn't know if you put too much, you could die. Yeah.
The more you know.
They make it look so simple and easy. Just dab, look, you out. That's it. That's how you kidnap people.
We're easily impressionable, bro.
We live in a day and age of social media period, entertainment. Like,
we let these movies sell us anything.
Right. And there's always a little bit of truth to these sorts of things. This one is probably my favorite. Milk transfusions.
Milk yet?
Milk transfusions.
You gotta milk that nigga.
Milk transfusions.
Your blood not good. We gotta give you good blood.
Right. That essentially, yes, that is the theory behind it.
Niggas thought milk would make your blood better.
Yes.
Did they think milk turn into blood?
No, yeah, they thought that they tried it because they said milk had the same like sort of consistency of blood.
That's crazy.
Yes.
That's so fucking nuts, bro.
And they thought that the nutrients from the milk would transfer directly.
That's insane.
Now imagine you as a patient who needs an actual blood transfusion.
Did they even know what blood types were?
No, they didn't.
Like,
we didn't discover blood types until the 1900s. So they didn't even know. They just assumed like this is a good thing. Get the cow. He needs one now. So obviously the milk sometimes would
the
clot.
consistency is the same.
Right.
First of all, milk turns just into bacteria.
Yes.
It's fucking ridiculous.
It says often fatal.
That has to be.
Often fatal. Yes.
Always fatal. Always.
Yeah, it's often fatal.
Not often. It's always fatal, yo.
They used it for severe blood loss. Like if someone had,
shit, that nigga don't got enough blood. Give him some milk. He needs some milk. Oh my God.
He needs some milk. Yeah. Malnutrition.
Drink the milk.
No. You gotta get it. That's not efficient, Paris.
You
can't
God,
just drink
put
it.
the 2% in the IV. Get the fuck out of here, yo.
Put the 2%. Yes. They also used it for tuberculosis and just general weakness. He needs some milk.
These niggas is just in a rush to die, yo.
Yeah. Listen.
But you got to thank God, bro, because if they didn't do that, they wouldn't know not to do that. We laugh at this shit in retrospect, Henry. If we was alive during the time, we would think that was fucking normal.
Absolutely. I would be like, yo, get the fucking cow right now. What are you doing?
I'm dying. Get me the cow.
I need a milk transfusion.
I need a milk transfusion.
Yes. That one is fucking nuts.
Teat the tube. Load me up. Load me up.
Teat the tube is crazy.
Load me up. I need my milk.
I need my milk. Oh my God. Cigarettes. They actually use cigarettes
Anxiety.
medicinally.
Anxiety.
No.
Colds?
Nope.
Headaches.
Nope.
Is it like a serious condition that they use it for?
I mean, it's pretty serious. It's counterintuitive. Think more that way.
For like breathing?
Yes.
Damn.
Yes. They would prescribe people cigarettes for asthma.
Nice.
Right.
Nice. Load them up.
So doctors used to prescribe cigarettes for a lot of respiratory troubles, including asthma.
You got to get the tobacco in there. You got to let it fight for you.
You got to. You got to. Technically, the boxes did state that they only provided temporary relief, but they also said anyone with hay fever or head colds should indulge as well.
These niggas ain't knowing anything.
Just have a cigarette.
Niggas just having a
Have
ball.
a cigarette.
Yo.
But they did say not for children under 6. Right.
Yo, what the fuck?
Yeah. If Aiden told me he had a headache right now, I'd give him a cigarette.
Yeah, kid.
You'll be all right. Let me light it for you. Yeah.
Daddy, you sure this works?
That means it's working.
Okay.
You feel that in your chest?
I don't like it.
Yeah.
No, that is absolutely insane, bro.
Exactly.
I just think it's crazy, like, how these niggas is just like, oh, like.
But the theories behind it kind of
Put bread in your ear. Like, it's anything.
You know what that's for? That's a contraceptive.
That's a contraceptive.
Put bread
What
in
does
your
it
ear.
have to?
Trust me.
I know.
Trust me. Am I the doctor or you? All right, then. What are we talking about? This guy. Get him the fucking bread. Get the fuck out of my house. Yeah.
It's been 18 months working with cadavers. What are you talking about?
Aren't those dead bodies? Look.
Bodies are bodies. What do you know about them?
Right. What do you know? Methamphetamine.
It doesn't matter what I say at this point, yo.
Athlete's foot. Yeah.
like, it could be fucking anything, bro.
They prescribed it for weight loss. Weight loss.
Fair.
So when your teeth start going too.
Fair.
Yeah. So
You gotta curb that appetite, man.
it was methamphetamines were first synthesized in 1893 by a Japanese chemist.
Love it.
This supposed cure was used in a multitude of ways.
So, wait, am I to assume that this was mostly practiced in Eastern countries?
I'm sure it spread because I feel like I've heard people here like using meth for like all kinds of shit.
Okay.
Like in like I think they would mix it with medicine, like certain like maybe cough syrup, shit like that. Like, here, take this. Patients turn to it for depression symptoms, reduced appetite, weight loss.
They'll probably take care of all those things. Yeah.
Yeah, but the side effects.
Only if you're addicted to it, brother.
How could you not?
You gotta take your time.
All your patients start showing back up like, yo, doc, Yo, Doc.
And they just giving that shit out.
Yeah, you've already lost 80 pounds.
I need to lose more, doctor.
Some ads boasted that just 5 milligrams could elevate your mood
For sure.
and dispel.
For sure.
Right.
I am happy. Yeah. I am happy for sure. Absolutely. Niggas high, bro. You know, that's probably the problem. A lot of these niggas was fucked up on drugs.
Yes.
The shit that they thought worked.
And imagine the doctors.
They're on drugs.
Right. Because this is such a simple.
Because you think they're not practicing it, they're getting a cold and sniffing cocaine.
Yeah,
like
yeah.
these niggas are all wilding, bro. These niggas just shooting dope.
That's why I want to know.
My blood feel funny. I can feel it. Let me shoot some dope real quick. I can feel it. My blood is not right. Like,
someone get the cow.
get the cow.
Get
yo.
the fucking cow, yo.
Somebody put some milk in me, man. Just put some milk in me, please.
Hydrotherapy.
What's that? Like soaking yourself in water?
It's more like it's more like a light drowning. Yeah, it's more like
Waterboarding.
yeah, sure, something like that. Yeah,
Nah.
yeah,
No.
yes.
Asthma?
No, but that's a good one. That's a good guess.
Pneumonia?
No,
That's
no.
counterintuitive.
Right? No, that's a very good guess. That's a very good guess. No.
Something to do with breathing.
Mental illness.
Got it.
Yeah. yeah.
Yo. Got it.
They've got it the worst, bro. Between the
They just do
lobotomies.
anything to these niggas.
Yeah. Because I mean, at that point, they're probably like, yo, I don't know what the fuck to do.
They're not.
They don't listen. They don't fucking, like, I don't know what to do, man.
We gotta reset these niggas somehow.
Yeah. So,
Bring them to the brink of death
yeah.
and see if they stop acting stupid. It's like, that's not how that works.
Yes. No, that's what they thought.
Oh, they playing.
Oh, they play. Yeah, it's joking. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
you
All right,
think
watch.
it's funny. You gonna spend your whole life being ha ha? You fucking jester? You must be. Someone drown this nigga.
So, instead of warm baths and relaxing cold plunges, patients were submerged underwater until they lost consciousness. And at other times, patients had
They
would
just suffocated niggas.
yes, and just hoping that they come to
That they wake up normal.
Yes, yeah.
That's fucking crazy.
It's horrible. It's absolutely crazy. Yeah. Now, are they more crazy for drowning people and hoping that they fucking come out normal?
Yeah,
Right.
for sure.
Right. It's fucking nuts.
I need to see this in person. Like,
Yeah.
I need somebody with full confidence in this to explain it to me.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Tell me the science behind this.
Like for real.
Tell me the
So
science
I can
behind
sit
this.
and be like,
Okay.
all right, you're onto something there.
You're on the
Because I can't fathom it.
right. Yeah.
I can't fathom it. You can't. It's nothing you can say to me that makes me feel like I'm gonna be like, I don't know why I didn't think of that first.
Right.
Like, and these people were probably like accredited for like,
Yes.
that's
Yes.
nuts
Yes. And they're out here drowning people, yo.
for being retarded.
Yes.
You can't say retarded.
You can. We just, it's not PC.
I don't understand it.
The crocodile one is I still can't get over that because it's just so gross.
I think it's time for a game, brother.
Yeah.
Drowning retards is fucking nuts, yo. But you see, it aligns. I called it a long time ago.
No, absolutely. But this is some nut shit, man. Some nut shit, Patch.
That was some nut shit. All right. This game is called Quack or Not Quack. All right. I'm gonna name a medical practice.
Mm-hmm.
And you're going to tell me if that person, if this medical practice is quack or not quack. Like if the doctor that came up with this is a quack or not a quack.
Okay. They're all going to be quacks.
Yeah. Let's just play though.
Okay.
Medical practice. Doctors used to taste patients' urine to diagnose diabetes.
Quack.
Not quack.
What?
They detected sweetness from excess sugars.
But why'd the doctor need to taste it?
Because they're the only ones who know.
Okay. They specifically...
You gotta drink a lot of pee to know the difference. I don't know.
No, that's crazy.
Right. Treating mental illness by performing a lobotomy with an ice pick.
Quack.
Not quack.
No.
It's true.
Well, yeah, it's true.
Based on, all right, so quack or not quack, like, is it true or not?
Oh, I thought you saying like, is this a crazy theory? Yes, it is. Absolutely.
Right.
Yeah. Okay. Now I get you.
Yeah. 1930s and 1950s. Very recent.
Oh, yeah.
My grandmother was alive. My grandmother was young.
A lot of niggas got loboted.
Yeah. It was loboted niggas.
A lot.
Medical practice. Okay. This is insane. Prescribing heroin for coughs and morphine for anxiety.
Quack.
Not quack. In the late 19th and earliest 20th centuries. Yep.
You said heroin?
Yes. For coughs.
Nice.
Yeah.
Get that black mamba just because you got a little frog in your throat? You're on cloud nine, nigga. Yeah.
Okay. Using powdered mummy, ground up Egyptian mummies to treat indigestion.
Not quack.
Yes.
Not quack.
They believed it to have healing properties in medieval times.
Yep. I heard
that's
that.
Nuts.
I heard that.
Because I'm looking at it like, all right, was this practice in Egypt? No. Many years later, niggas found mummies and was like, yo, crush that up.
Crush that up was crazy. Yo, we about to smoke on that Cleopatra tonight, nigga.
Crazy for indigestion. Like fucking Pepto-Bismol.
First of all, that's gonna make your indigestion 30 times worse.
Right. You eating dead niggas.
Yeah.
Yo, this is insane. All right. Last medical practice. Diagnosing illnesses by studying the position of the stars in the planet.
I feel like that's not quack.
It's not quack.
I feel like
it's not quack.
That's some Galileo shit.
Yeah. Ancient practice of astrological medicine. Ready? That's it. That's ancient practice of astrological medicine.
So you mean to tell me how healthy I am?
Man.
Right. Yeah. Right. So they're onto something.
No.
Okay.
No, absolutely not.
Okay. So they were wrong.
Yeah. Imagine someone said, imagine you went to the doctor and it was like,
I'm not feeling too good, doc.
What's your rising?
Pisces.
This isn't looking too good for you, buddy. Right. Out. The fuck out of here. What are we talking about?
Yeah, for real.
All right. I got a couple of games. So I'm going to play one more.
Yeah, go for it.
All right. This one is called Diagnose This.
Yeah.
I'm going to name some symptoms and I'm going to give you some diagnosis options and you tell me which one.
Ooh, okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
All right. Severe headache, fever, vomiting, painful swelling of the lymph nodes in the neck and groin. A, bad blood causing imbalance of humors. B, evil spirits possessing the body. C, overexposure to swamp gas.
A,
bad blood causing imbalance.
You got to get rid of that blood.
Yeah, they thought that caused the Black Death, the bubonic plague.
Yeah, they need a milk transfusion. I'm prescribing a milk transfusion.
It could have been evil spirits. possesses
Or a
bile.
jar fart. You either need a milk transfusion or a jar fart.
Double up.
Yeah. Or both. Yeah. You might need both.
Yep.
Yeah.
Blow me up. Imagine putting the gas to a fart.
Ezekiel.
Ezekiel.
Ah.
We need a hot one, brother. All right. Symptoms: pale skin, fatigue,
Mm-hmm.
shortness of breath,
Mm.
and heart palpitations.
Ooh. Okay.
All right.
You need a cigarette. Yeah.
A, love sickness or broken heart.
Okay.
B, bad air rising from the stomach.
Uh-huh.
C, overreactive spleen causing melancholy.
No, I'm. Wait, what? Wait, the spleen is causing melancholy. It's causing you to be sad.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so it's got to be B or C. I'm gonna go B.
You'd be wrong.
It's C.
It's A,
What?
love sickness or broken heart. Some doctors believe this caused anemia.
Wow.
Not a doctor, not two doctors. Some doctors.
Some doctors. Where'd they make that connection? Wow.
Are you sad? His blood's all fucked up.
His blood's fucked up.
His
You gotta
blood's
get
all fucked up.
Yeah.
Look at him. He's crying.
Yeah. God, give him a milk transfusion.
Somebody here. Get the cows.
First, grab the chloroform.
All right. Seizures, muscle spasms, loss of consciousness.
Love it.
All right. A, evil spirits or demonic possession.
It has to be.
B, imbalance of brain humors. What are humors?
Ooh.
Or C, bad blood caused by a full moon.
Damn. That's a hard one. That is a wait, what was B again?
Imbalance of brain humors.
Huh.
For seizures, muscle spasms, and loss of consciousness.
Bro, it's gotta be the evil spirits.
You'd be correct.
Yes.
Evil spirits.
Yo, I
or
could have been
demonic possession.
I could have been a fucking doctor.
A common belief.
That's crazy.
A common belief for epilepsy.
That's crazy.
This nigga got them demons in him.
Okay, so just 2 seconds. Humors of the body are blood, yellow bile, phlegm, and black bile. So they're
liquids.
referring to those fluids.
fluids.
Yeah.
The gross fluids.
Right.
Yeah.
That's what humors are.
Okay. All right. Severe coughing,
Okay.
chest pain,
Mm.
and coughing up blood.
Mm.
All right.
Blood. Okay.
Diagnosis:
Right.
A, overexposure to cold air.
Uh-huh.
B, imbalance of lung humors, phlegm. C, a snake or lizard living in the lungs.
It's gotta be C.
You would think it was B, imbalance of lung humors.
Damn
They
it.
believe this caused tuberculosis.
Okay. See, that actually doesn't sound too absurd.
Too bad we don't know how they treated it.
Get him a cigarette.
Somebody
get this man a cigarette.
somebody burn him alive.
Yeah.
All right, last one. Severe pain,
Yeah.
swelling, and redness around a wound.
Okay.
A, bad blood causing an infection. B, evil spirits entering the womb.
It's gotta be the evil spirit.
C, overreactive bile causing inflammation.
See, I feel like A and C sound normal. It has to be B.
Right. See, you letting the game catch up to you.
Right.
It's A, bad blood causing the infection. They had no concept of germs.
It could be, yeah, now you say that it could be the bad blood. Yeah.
It's always bad
It's
blood.
always bad blood.
It's always the bad
Yeah,
blood.
You gotta get rid of the bad blood.
Because they didn't know about germs.
Yeah.
If you're sick, your blood is bad.
Yeah.
You have bad blood. You
Right.
need new blood.
You need-
Somebody get this nigga some milk.
Yeah.
Pump this nigga full of milk.
Milk. Yeah. He'll be all right. Call me in the morning.
But to confidently do something like that, you have to see it work. There's no way.
That
There's no way. There's absolutely no fucking way you didn't pump milk into somebody's fucking blood and then watch them die soon after.
Yeah.
There's no fucking way.
Yeah. That doesn't even sound.
There's not a fucking world. There's not a world. That nigga's dead. Stop.
But now my thing is, for the people, because it said often fatal, so that doesn't mean everyone died. So
No, Henry, but I'm saying everyone died.
Okay, okay.
Like they saying people died often. They're lying.
Okay.
I feel like people just used to write all this crazy shit so that they can be like noticed or credited.
Well, yes,
they
want to
for
win
accolades
the
and
Nobel
shit like
Peace
that.
Prize,
and it's like, but if nobody could prove it right or wrong, they just was like, whatever.
Because it made sense in their head. Yeah.
Like I feel like
they didn't know what a blood type was.
Like they going crazy over theories. You know what I mean?
Yeah. And if it did work.
Yo, this guy's a genius.
Right.
And if it did work, it's like, yo, he did know though. Like,
all right. This is the third patient this week that has died from the milk transfusion.
But I don't see how milk transfusion became a thing. I can see how it became a test. If you believe that and you tried it.
But y'all did it.
But once you tried it, the very first time you tried it.
I guarantee they died.
He died.
Yeah.
They died.
Yeah, they had to have died.
And they're just like, oh, it must have been complications of his humors.
His bad blood.
It's the humors of the brain.
Right, yeah.
It's not the blood. We fixed that.
Yeah, we gave him a fresh gallon.
I guarantee you that's exactly why he died. Because that's the reason. They're like, no. Trust me. The blood's good. The milk transfusion. It's something else. It must have been other complications. Nigga, no.
We gave him a fresh gallon. He should have been.
This nigga got spoiled blood now. Like,
he's got yogurt blood.
He got yogurt blood. This nigga's bleeding custard. This is nuts.
Yo, oh my God. I just had two more.
The more I think about milk transfusions, it just boils me up.
Yeah, that one it's
boiling my milk right now.
I really would love to hear like
like somebody talk about this with confidence.
Because I have to know I really have to know the theory of, but like, who was the first person that was like, this is a great idea?
I feel like niggas they got their degree. You know, I don't know how far back the practice of doctorates goes, but in order to get a doctorate, you have to
there's a lot of shit you got to do,
but you got to present like a thesis.
Yeah,
and
I don't know if it was like that.
Present new shit, and they're like, watch this. You know what I'm saying? Just a bunch of niggas sitting in a fucking study, smoking cigarettes. Drinking promethazine.
For their asthma. Yeah, for their asthma.
Drinking promethazine and moonshine.
Yeah.
Like, yo, what are you going to do your paper on? Yo.
I've got this theory.
Fucking got it, yo.
You got to tell me. You got to tell me.
What if I tell people to rub shit on their face?
No.
Mm-hmm.
What does it do?
It cures blindness.
No way.
For sure.
You know John is blind.
Tell him come here.
I got a fresh one. No, matter of fact, Ezekiel. Yeah. This one was like actually manufactured. Like, this was like a manufactured, it's called Mrs. Winslow's Soothing Syrup. It had a logo. It had like they manufactured this and gave this.
It was promethazine.
So what it was is, at the time it was 25 cents. It was a cure-all soothing syrup. Cure-all. It was filled with alcohol.
Nice.
And
what
morphine.
kind of alcohol?
And morphine.
What kind of alcohol?
I'm not sure. Maybe because cough syrups have alcohol in it. So
there's different.
I don't think it was like liquor alcohol.
There's different types of alcohol.
Yeah. Well, alcohol and morphine doesn't sound like a good combination.
To who? You trying to get faded?
Morphine?
Yo, a
I
little
feel like
bit
morphine
a little bit
will have
alcohol.
you like
Gotta.
so this was served actually this was later. This was the mid 19th century.
Just recent.
We had already discovered blood types. This connection was touted for teething and gut problems. So these are for
Teething?
yeah,
Teething, like for babies.
right. So it wasn't until later that people noticed the high death rate among infants who they gave this to.
I wonder how that happened.
Right. You're giving a bunch of infants morphine.
When you tell people that something's medicine, you know what I mean?
It just makes sense.
Yeah.
Right. But morphine. These niggas was cracked out. Your baby's crawling weird.
These niggas was in the era of trial and error, yo.
You giving babies morphine, son.
They was just failing. Just
These niggas was faded. Like beyond. The baby is faded.
baby's dead.
The baby, well, yes.
Like faded don't work for babies.
Right. You're right.
Because
Yeah.
they have no basis for consciousness.
It just, yes.
I'm dead.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Like, what are we talking about?
It's fucking crazy. They had this other medicine that was created by this French chemist. They called it Vin Mariani.
Okay.
So why snort it when you can just drink it? So you know what it's full of.
What?
Cocaine. Yeah. So in the 1860s,
They're just making Molly water?
no, but it was French chemist Angelo Mariani brought us his patented medicinal drink that contained 6 milligrams of cocaine
Nice. What was it?
per
Like,
fluid ounce of wine. So you're drinking
6 milligrams of cocaine per fluid ounce of wine?
yes.
Per fluid ounce?
Yes. So say you had 12 ounces.
You had a 8 ounce beverage, which is like a can of soda.
Right. Full of coke.
That's insane.
Yeah.
And wine.
And wine. Yeah, yeah. What a concoction. What a concoction.
That's a cocktail right there.
This was supposed to drive up energy.
Of course.
Right. And it was
You didn't even have to drink the whole thing. Just have a couple sips.
yeah, it was essentially like an energy drink.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is the original Four
It gets
Loko.
the people going.
This is the original Four
For
Loko.
sure.
Wine and cocaine. Why do caffeine and alcohol when you could do wine and cocaine together?
Think about a shot. You get a shot
A
glass.
shot of that?
You get a shot glass.
I'm good.
You get a shot glass. You fill it up. You fill it up
Uh-huh.
because a shot glass is 2 ounces, right? A shot glass is about 2 ounces.
I feel like it's maybe, give or take.
It's like 2 ounces. And you put 12 grams of coke in it.
Yeah. You are fucking wired, my friend. You ain't coming down, bro. You are teeth. You start.
Grams.
You start. Yeah.
12.
Yeah. That's crazy.
12 grams
Yeah.
per fluid ounce.
Uh-huh.
That is a lot of
Yeah.
cocaine.
Yeah. I can't imagine this was not safe. Okay. It's not safe.
It was terribly not safe,
Yeah.
brother.
I don't even know. People probably overdosed in this. Like you drink a whole fucking, if I had a glass like of this much, that's insane.
Yeah. I mean, you're not going to sleep.
No.
Like,
Or I might go to sleep and not wake up. That's
I can't imagine not hurling. You gotta
after
hurl.
all that. Absolutely. Yeah. What a time to be alive.
Yeah, these French are always up to something, man.
And I also don't have to mention the classic medicinal practice that we all know, the lobotomy.
The bot.
The
You gotta
lobot.
lobot that nigga.
Sometimes these niggas need to be loboted. Okay.
You got to remember, like, all right, so we have a lot of these, like, we've seen
mentally ill
people who are
who wild the fuck
erratic.
out. Yes,
You know what I mean?
absolutely.
Or manic.
And
it's dangerous. They're dangerous to themselves and others.
yeah,
Like, I was watching this video of this one kid. He's like slamming himself into the floor
yeah.
and like running into the wall head first.
Oh shit, yeah,
And like, if anybody's next to him, he's throwing his whole body at them.
right.
Like, he's just throwing his body like viciously. Now, like, we learn patience. We learn how to pad up
That's
shit like that. But like, imagine then it's like, yo, get this crazy nigga the fuck up. They're killing people for less.
yeah. They were.
You know what I mean?
Right. And I mean, mostly of it was mental illness, like depression, anxiety, schizophrenia, PTSD.
I'm
all
scared
that.
to see what they do.
And-
what they do for schizophrenia.
Difficult behavior, like you just explained.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it reduced emotional response. So they thought calm patient equals
Good patient.
right.
Healthy
Exactly.
patient.
Right.
Calm equals good. He
Yeah.
wasn't calm. Now he is. Success.
He's healthy. Yeah.
No?
No.
Good job, doctor.
It also made them easier to manage in these institutions.
Yeah, no fucking shit.
Right. The problem is
You got this nigga drooling over here.
he don't know where he is. He doesn't even know anything anymore. The problem is permanent brain damage. Clearly,
They do everything but kill a nigga.
yeah,
It's insane. Yo, drown him. But don't let him die.
and remember they used to do like electroshock therapy to them too. Like so, drown them, shock them, drill holes in their brain, like just everything.
But yo, you know, it'd be fucking absolutely nuts. What if they ever found a cure
for like schizophrenia or
for
something
like
like
mental
that?
illness?
I don't know. That's
No, I'm saying,
yeah,
like,
yeah. That would be, but
like, what if their practices led them to that? I mean,
that'd be crazy. That'd be
we'll never know that.
crazy.
We'll never know.
All of a sudden, he's just like he went from to hello, my name is. You like holy shit.
This nigga's a miracle worker
What did you do? Hydrotherapy.
with a little bit of cocaine.
Right.
Got to dope him up first,
Yeah.
make him drown. When he comes back to life, it all hits him at once.
Right. That's fucking nuts. So, I mean, out of all this shit, we can say that they had no germ theories, like we discussed, no antibiotics, no imaging, heavy reliance on tradition, which is a big problem.
This is heavy reliance on hard drugs.
Yes.
But I mean, I guess to them
And
it was not
confidence.
hard drugs because it wasn't recreational drugs to them. It
Wasn't
a cure
Right.
or a treatment.
Yes.
So it's like, it's hard to judge.
I mean, it was, well, not recreational, but when I say recreational, I was thinking like a lot of this shit was probably like over the counter at that time.
Yeah.
like you could have made it recreational if you wanted
Sudafed's
to.
over the counter.
That you're
Mhm.
right. You're right. You're right.
I got one more for you.
Okay.
This one's called Rank the Quack. All right.
Ooh.
I'm gonna introduce medical practitioners and their theories.
Mm-hmm.
You rank them from least quack to most quack.
Okay.
Least quack being, it's absurd, but it's not as bad as
Right.
what it could
Right.
out of everybody else.
Right.
All right. One. I have A, Dr. Ignaz Semmelweis. Claimed doctors should wash their hands before surgery. B, Dr. Benjamin Rush believed in bloodletting and purging. Dr. L. Ron Hubbard
Oh God.
created, we know who he is?
Yes.
Scientology.
Right.
Created a machine claiming to measure the thetans in the body. How would you rank them?
L. Ron Hubbard is definitely, well, you know what? The bloodletting is pretty crazy, but I feel like the thought behind it is like, all right, I get why y'all would think that makes sense. I'm going to put L. Ron Hubbard definitely most quack. And I'm putting the wash hands guy least quack.
Yeah, definitely least quacked.
Yeah.
He was a pioneer, but was ridiculed at the time, which is insane.
But that's right. Well, and that's crazy. For
Like, yo,
washing your hands.
Fucking retard.
Right.
Washing your
Wash
hands.
your hands. The fuck? Like, oh, I want to be clean. Look at this fucking guy. yeah.
Put some milk in his blood. He's got bad blood.
Yeah, he's got bad blood.
He's got
bro.
bad blood.
He's got bad blood.
All right, number 2. Oh, also, Thetans.
Yeah, I don't know what the fuck that is.
You want to know what
It
that
sounds
is?
like some made up shit.
It is 100%.
Okay, all right. Yeah.
It is the soul, the spirit.
All right. Yeah, okay.
Yeah,
yeah.
This is what that nigga
Yeah.
believed in.
Yeah.
Scientology, brother.
Oh, God.
Scientology.
Yeah.
I don't even want to go any further.
Tom
Did
Cruise.
we do an episode about that?
About Scientology?
Yeah.
We actually haven't, which would be a great avenue to dive down.
There we go.
Love it. I would love to do that.
All right. Theory of humorism.
Okay.
Balancing bodily fluids for health.
Okay.
Phrenology. Reading skull bumps for personality traits. Astrological medicine. Diagnosing based on star positions.
That's most quack. Most quack right there. What was the
Yes.
first one again?
Theory of humorism. Balancing bodily fluids for health.
That's least quack.
Yeah.
Okay.
100%. All right. Next, this is the last one.
Uh-huh.
Dr. John Harvey Kellogg believed in...
What did he create? Cereal?
No, but he believed in enemas for mental health.
Most quack. Most quack. Oh, the
Uh,
fucking... Well, all right. What are the other two?
Dr. Mary Baker Eddy claimed illness is just a mental error.
Okay. What's the last
It's
one?
only those.
Oh, okay. Clearly. Wow.
I mean, technically.
They're both quacky.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Illness is just a mental error.
Right. You just gotta fix it.
You ain't thinking right.
Right. That's it. That's it. That's it.
A cold? Something wrong. This nigga not thinking all right.
Yeah.
You think you can't breathe. You can't breathe. This bitch was woke.
Right.
You think you can't breathe, so then you can't breathe. Think you can breathe. You're not thinking. Your mind is stronger than your body, brother.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Dr. Mary Baker Eddy.
That's crazy.
Least quacked. I'm gonna go with her being least quacked.
No, yeah, absolutely.
All time least quacked.
Yeah.
All time least
I
quacked.
mean, the first one is also crazy.
No. Illness is a mental error.
You
It
just
simply
gotta,
is.
you gotta think yourself healthy.
This bitch
And
is
then-
also about the Matrix.
She is.
Yeah.
She took the right pill.
Yeah.
All right. All in all, I am very happy that we were not born during this time. Modern medicine may look scary, but historical medicine was brave, confident, and frequently deadly. Just be grateful that your doctor does not prescribe you off of vibes, crocodile shit, and butt water. Okay. So next episode, I don't even know. I didn't even plan anything for the next one. But
No.
can we do Scientology?
Yes.
Okay, all right. We're thinking about doing Scientology. L. Ron Hubbard's on the way. Tom Cruise is on the way. This was a very enlightening one.
Put milk in your blood.
Yeah. Moral of the story.